Hey guys, so in the previous video we were stuck in an error where we couldn't make the edit post functionality. So in this video we're going to be updating that, and we are going to include the delete functionality too. So the error was we need to include a hidden field on top of the submit button so that we can get the ID. So here I'm going to say update ID, and I'm going to pass in the value as the ID itself, so it will give us the current ID of what they're clicking on. So I say echo post ID, so we can get the ID through that. So here I'll say update ID, so we could get that update ID equals, I'll copy one of these, it's gonna be the same thing, and I'll say update ID. Now after this, what I want to do is make the query for the updating functionality, which is update posts, and set the title equals to title. Let me do that first, and then the author equals to author, and then body equals to body. So now we have done the update functionality, but we want to say what to update. So where ID equals, and we'll put that curly brackets and say update ID. So if we say that, it will say update posts via and set the title equals title, author equals author, body, and where ID is equals that. So if this runs successfully, MySQL query, pass in the function and the query, and if this runs successfully, we want to redirect the user to the home page. So I'll say root URL. If you remember, we defined it in the previous video. Else we wanna print out, we wanna echo out the error. MySQL error. It will give us the proper error, and we'll pass in the connection. So I hope this will work. So if I click on edit, there's a slight problem. Click post. So actually the problem was that I was including so sorry for that, guys. I was just including the function this inside the submit, so that didn't work, which made the post a local variable, so it didn't get post, it didn't take it up till here, so it showed up an error. So if we put it over here, put it right over here where it ends, and read this out, then it does work. As you guys can see, it fills up the form. So if I say post number 1, if I click submit, it will be changed to number 1. If I go to something else and click read more and edit, and let's say post 2, submit, post 2. So we have that functionality. Now we need to make the delete functionality. So what do? We are gonna we'll go to post.php, and we'll actually get the delete, but what we need to do is we want to echo the PHP self, PHP underscore self, and we want to have an input type hidden, and we get the delete ID through that, and then for the value we pass in the ID, so we can get the ID through ID for what the person is clicking on. So post ID, and then we have the button, input type submit, value submit, name, sorry about that, print screen problem, name, submit. So name I wanna be delete, so this name I wanna be delete ID. So we want is delete edit post. We want to take the same thing from the edit post. This time I hope there is no error. I'm sorry guys if there is any error, because I'm just starting off, trying to help people who are also starting off, so you guys can kind of figure out the error that you guys might encounter while doing it. So we are going to change this to delete, and we need the delete ID instead of the update ID. Sorry if you guys are hearing some noise, it's just my brother playing. So query is kind of simple. Delete from posts where ID equals, we can do this, delete ID. So this might work. This is probably, yeah, I think that's it. Should work. Let me just check it out. So I want to delete this. I don't want it to say submit, I want it to say delete, and let me just put HR so it just separates it. So delete, hope it works. Delete undefined index. Passing the ID. What's there? I'll actually catch the error and get back with you guys. So guys, the error was we didn't get the delete ID properly, we didn't pass in the connection, and also we didn't give the connection for the ID, the normal ID where we pass in the hidden form. So that's it. I will also be leaving the source code in the description. It will be the GitHub page, you guys can get it if you guys don't understand the code here or just left a part of it. It will be in the description. So I think we have full CRUD functionality in our app right now. So if we want to add a post, this is a final post, and author, we'll just say good boy. I'll just say hello. If we click submit, and we have that. Now one thing I want to modify is we don't want to have a recent post on the bottom, but we want to have it at the top. So we want to go to index.php, and we want to change something in the query is order by. We want to order by created at, and we want to make it descending, so from the recent one to the not recent one. Yeah, so this is a final post, so we'll try to edit it. If I click on edit, yes, good boy now, just change it like that. So good boy now, where is it? is a final post, or it should say created by. What's the problem? Visual post, it should say created by. Is it doesn't say the author? Why is that? PHP echo post author. Even if I click read more, it doesn't show the author. I'll use a paid source. Why doesn't it work? We're selecting it. Post author. Doesn't it have an author? Or index.php. It does say author, but it doesn't work. Let me just make it to me, see if that works. So instead we want to change it to just do that. Yeah, it should work now. Post author should work. Let me just check if there is an author, because only if there is nothing in the database won't show. So post app, post, yeah, there is no author. I'll be inserting the author anyway. So go to add posts. We are inserting it. So let me go and add one more user. Sorry, one more. Let's say 1, 1 and 1. So I click create by 1. Yeah, now that's working. So we have full CRUD functionality. I could edit it. I could say 1. Then it's changed. I could go there, I could delete it, and then there's that. I guess I have some time to make the styling real quick. So let me just go ahead and do some basic styling for this, because this looks extremely terrible. So I'll just do this, and I'm gonna require everything. So box size in border box. So first of all, for each and every container, we want the width to be around 80%, and the margin to be 20 pixels from the top, and auto. And for H3s, H1, for everything, we want the font family. I'm sorry, I'm just a little bit in a hurry. I want the font family to be Rubik. If that's not there, get sans serif. Let me just require it for everything. So I'm gonna link it. Just copy it and paste it everywhere. Edit post. Did I put it in post? Yeah. Edit post. there. The rest, yes. So let me check if that's working. Yes, that is, but there is a problem. Should I put that for each? That's wrong. I didn't see that before. It was not there. Oh, it's really hard to talk while I'm coding. So then what do I want to do? For H3 I want the font size to be around 35 pixels and font weight around 300. And for A tags I want the text decoration to be none, and margin top to be around 15 pixels. Why isn't that working? Let me put display block. If this doesn't work, display, yeah, that's working. So we want to adjust the nav bar a little bit. If I go there, add post, I'm sorry, Anna, don't shout. I'm sorry about that. I want to make the width 100%. I'm going to display flex. I want to change the background to something totally random. I have a good color in mind. Hope it's a good one. Let me just check how it's working on. I want to make this a fixed one, so top 0. Only the add post only. So there's kind of a problem there. It's usual because it's CSS. What do you expect? So that's too much. Fine. Margin left around 50 pixels, 150 pixels. Yeah, that's fine. So if I click on add post, I want to make the inputs a lot more better. So I want to make the width 50% and margin around 100 pixels and auto, and the form input and the only for the form input we want the height to be 60 pixels. Oh shit. Yeah, we want to display flex direction column. Yes. This might show up an error. Yeah, so even for the text area we want the same thing. 15 pixels in 0. We want to make the text area and then input with the, sorry, I'm just a bit in a hurry, with the type of submit. We want the background to be like that. On the border to be none, font size around 20 pixels on font family, sorry, row big. And if that doesn't exist for something, yeah, so that's pretty much nice, and that is the point. Now that's cool. So for an individual post we actually need this, so href back.
Sanjay, இப்போ முதல் சிம்முக்கு தான் அப்போ வந்து
yeah, so it's working. So I go to individual post, I have back, and then I could add post, I could add a post, all those kind of good stuff. Could edit posts, so we have that also. Could delete it also. So that's about for the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed this course. We built a basic app through vanilla PHP, HTML and CSS. So hope you enjoyed. Subscribe for more videos, and see you guys next time. Bye.